ears. Say cheers.
Yeah,
it's working. We're getting lower and lower. Thank you, girls.
You're welcome.
Do you think the blow dryer will help us pop the super bubble?
Well, I think if we put enough air into the super bubble, it might burst.
That's a good idea, Fiery. Let's try it out. We got our tool. Now, time to strike it out.
Yes, it worked.
Okay, let's go back and save Leafy.